Welcome to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to sketch a famous bottle cap. So let's start. Choose top plane, sketch. Now select a circle and draw from a circle from origin point. Select for construction. Then again draw one more circle from origin. Okay. Now choose smart dimension. Inside diameter keep 27 mm. Outside diameter keep 30 mm. Okay, now choose center point arc and draw one arc here. Coincide with this. Okay, now select both the points horizontal. Select this and select this circle, make tangent. Now select this point and upper circle, make coincident. Now choose smart dimension, assign 5.24 mm. Okay, now choose circular sketch pattern. Select this circle and select this arc, and we want 18 number of, see this is 18 number of loops. Click OK. Go to feature, select extruded boss. We want only 0.1 mm and select this area. Click OK. Now select this area, go to reference geometry, choose plane. Now assign distance, keep 9 mm. Click OK. Now select this plane, click sketch, select normal. Now choose a circle and draw one circle from origin point and make tangent to this point. Okay. Okay. Now exit from the sketch. Now choose lofted boss. Sketch to selected. Now select this sketch. Click OK. Go to fillet. Choose 3 mm radius and select top face. Click OK. Now choose shell. Choose 0.5 mm and select backside. Click OK. Now this is our famous bottle cap is ready. Just select plane and hide it. This is the famous bottle cap we saw in many places and many Pepsi and Coca-Cola cap bottles. Just make shaded. Choose color and assign any one color. Click OK. Now our bottle cap is ready. This is the famous bottle cap we saw in old days.